Welcome to the DirectAccess Customer Portal with 24/7 access to your account information and payment methods. In this module, we're going to take you through the highlights related to accessing your e-documents. What are e-documents? E-documents are invoices, credits, payments, mill certificates, BOLs, and tickets. BOLs and tickets include ticket data for all deliveries and customer-signed scanned tickets available in some areas. To access e-documents, first you will need a username and password. If you do not have these, please review the first video in this series called Account Registration and Management. Then, visit www.directdayportal.com with your web browser. When you get there, log in with your username and password. After you log in, you will land on your home page. Here you will find important information about your account status, plus most recent invoices and payments. But the portal has much more detailed information available to you as well. Take a look at the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll see a drop-down menu for e-documents. This toolbar and drop-down menu will appear at the top of the page, regardless of the page you happen to be on. Using the drop-down menu, you can access all your transactions, BOLs, and tickets, as well as your mill certificates. What can you do with these e-documents? Well, if you are a user, transactional user, or admin user, you can view, download, and print all of these billing and shipping documents. If you are in an operational role, you can only view, download, and print the mill certificates. Let's go into some transactions so you can get a feel for the basic navigation. When you choose transactions from the drop-down menu, you will get a list of all your transactions, whether invoices, payments, credits, or debits. That's a useful thing, but perhaps you are looking for a certain transaction. Near the top of the page, you can filter the transactions by type, status, date range, and document number or PO number. As an example, let's just look at your payments. There they are. Notice you can click on this hyperlink and dive into more details about this payment. If the document had been an invoice, credit, or debit, you could have also clicked on the associated hyperlink for more relevant information. Go ahead and click on the hyperlinks related to your own document types, and you'll see what we mean. Now, if you want to view or print this particular invoice, you can click on the checkbox here. If there are multiple documents that you want to view or print, you can click on multiple checkboxes. Then click on the download button at the bottom of your screen. The document or documents will download to your computer. They may pop up on your screen, or you may need to look for them in your Downloads folder. So what else can you do with that e-documents drop-down menu at the top of your page? Well, you can search for specific BOLs and tickets or mill certificates. For instance, here's the screen to find your mill certificates. Give it a try yourself. The best way to learn is by doing. Now, let's go to your home page for a moment and show you a couple of shortcuts. If you want to quickly go to all your invoices, you can click here at the bottom left of your home page. Or, if you want to zero in on your payments, click here on the bottom right. As before, you can view, download, and print. Or, you can click on hyperlinks for more information. By the way, these shortcuts to your invoices and payments only appear when you are on your home page. And that covers some of the highlights about accessing e-documents from within the DirectAccess Customer Portal. We hope this module has been useful to you. Please feel free to watch it again if you ever need a review.